Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Nihongo effectively. To begin, establish a consistent daily routine, even if it's just for a short period. Immerse yourself in Japanese culture through media like anime or dramas to make learning enjoyable and natural. Additionally, leverage spaced repetition systems, such as flashcard apps, to efficiently memorize new vocabulary and kanji. This method optimizes your review schedule, ensuring long-term retention. For vocabulary, focus on learning common kanji radicals. They are like building blocks for new characters. When tackling grammar, don't just memorize rules. Practice them by creating and using many example sentences. This active application helps solidify your understanding. Remember to consistently review new words and grammar points using active recall methods, like self-made flashcards, to ensure they stick in your long-term memory. To improve your speaking, seek out opportunities to converse with native Japanese speakers, even if it's just for a few minutes. For listening, immerse yourself in Japanese podcasts, music, and news. This exposure helps your ear become accustomed to natural speech patterns and intonation. Try shadowing, which involves repeating what you hear immediately after it's spoken, to significantly enhance your pronunciation and speaking rhythm. Maintaining motivation is key to long-term success. Set realistic, achievable goals, like learning 10 new kanji a week or having a 5-minute conversation. Celebrate every small victory along the way. It reinforces positive habits and keeps your enthusiasm high. Remember to also take care of your physical well-being. Staying hydrated is important for focus, so check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed during your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.